In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Todoist with Notion for task management. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to embed your Todoist view directly inside a Notion page so you can see and manage your tasks without constantly switching between apps. Let's start inside Notion. Open the page where you want your Todoist tasks to appear. This could be a personal dashboard, a team workspace, or a dedicated tasks page. Click into an empty line, as if you were going to type a new paragraph. Now type a / followed by the word embed. As you type, Notion will show a menu of block options that match what you're entering. Look for the option labeled embed and make sure it's the one that lets you embed external content or websites. Next, click on that embed option. This will open a small window asking you for a link or URL. Think of this as the frame where we're going to display your Todoist content inside Notion. Now it's time to grab that link from Todoist. Open Todoist in your browser or desktop app and navigate to the view you want to embed. This could be your Today view, a specific project, a filter, or any page that makes sense for your workflow. Once you're on the right screen, copy the URL from the address bar. This link is what Notion will use to load your Todoist tasks. With that URL copied, go back to your Notion page where the embed window is still open. Click into the field that asks for a link and paste the Todoist URL you just copied. Take a second to double check that the entire link is there, especially if you copied it manually. Finally, click on the button that says something like Embed Link. Notion will take a moment to process the URL and then display your Todoist view directly on the page. You can usually resize the embedded block by dragging the corners or edges, so adjust it until it fits nicely with the rest of your layout. From here on, you can scroll through your Todoist tasks, check things off, and stay on top of your work, all without leaving Notion. This simple embed is a great way to keep your planning and execution in one place, making your task management smoother and more focused.